cholesterol, promotes digestive health, and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Metamucil, 3 amazing benefits, 1 super fiber.
Is this the new fountain of youth you've been waiting for? Some doctors and their patients say yes. This woman is preparing for an extreme vitamin injection. She's on the cutting edge of what some experts claim is the newest and quite possibly the most powerful way to fight fatigue, push your energy through the roof, even slow down the aging process. Today, intravenous vitamin therapy, customized for you. Does it really work? Is it safe? And is it right for you? A needle, a drip, and in seconds your body is flooded with vitamins and supplements. Vitamin therapy taken to the extreme. An intravenous cocktail, tailor-made to fit your need, that's injected straight into your bloodstream. Would you try it? More and more are saying yes. Simon Cowell gets an IV loaded with a specially formulated infusion of vitamin C, B12, and magnesium that he says helps boost his energy. Pop star Rihanna tweeted this picture of herself getting a liquid dose. Reportedly, Madonna, Brad Pitt, and some professional football players are also hooking up because they believe it will help fight fatigue, increase immunity, and lower stress. Now, extreme vitamin injections are going mainstream, with people all across the country seeking out this breakthrough therapy. Some experts question whether these supercharged quick fixes really work at all. They're certainly not your grandmother's vitamin B12 shot. But could these controversial injections be the future of vitamin therapy? Sandy undergoes IV vitamin therapy monthly and has agreed to get her treatment right on our set today. So, Sandy, why do you get these treatments?
Well, Dr. Oz, I work full-time, and I'm the kind of person that's always on the go. So it's really important, especially if I feel a cold coming on or I have a stressful week, it's really important. I know that this treatment is going to help me feel better, make me feel better. And now this IV cocktail that I get is my monthly routine.
And how quickly does it work once you're getting the therapy?
For me, immediately. And it's funny because I'm actually able to accomplish my to-do list, and I've never been able to do that before. I feel unstoppable. I feel revitalized. It's great. And besides that, people say that I look younger. And that's extremely important because I just had my 45th birthday. Well,
congratulations for that.
Thank
We're going to come
you.
back and check in with you periodically
Great.
during the show.
Thank you.
So, IV vitamin treatment. Dr. Pericles Lance is Sandy's doctor. He's been giving her these treatments. He's a true believer who prescribes this therapy to many of his patients. So what's in these IV treatments exactly?
Sure. As Sandy said, we're using a cocktail of vitamins. So we're using vitamin C, B12, B6, B5. We use a multi-trace element formula that gives you little trace amounts of different elements that we need. So it's basically a cocktail that will help revitalize the body.
And who came up with the idea of taking vitamins in, I think, pretty high doses and injecting them directly into the bloodstream?
Absolutely. Dr. Myers came up with this in the 1960s. So it's something that has a proven track record of over 50 years.
But what gave him the idea of trying that?
He was using it to treat different conditions like fibromyalgia, migraines, asthma, high blood pressure. It's actually good for all of those things.
And Sandy believes that she's had remarkable treatment success from that. You argue that it helps with fatigue, stress, things that are very common, but it's hard to measure sometimes how much benefit folks get.
Well, it's important to remember that vitamins are a catalyst. And these catalysts get consumed when we're dealing with stressful situations. So vitamins are always being depleted in the body. So it's important for us to make sure that patients have enough vitamins in the body.
And how concentrated are the vitamins that you place into these IV bags?
It's pretty concentrated. So I'd like to use vitamin C as an example. The RDA for vitamin C is 60 milligrams. You get about 70 milligrams from an orange.
Okay.
Most people, when they're sick, they take 500 milligrams, 1,000 milligrams. Here we're using 5 to 10 grams of vitamin C. So it's quite a bit higher. But vitamin C is extremely safe.
Well, but in addition to giving a higher amount in the IV bag, you're also giving it to them directly into their bloodstream.
Absolutely.
So just to be clear about this, and I want you all to understand what Dr. Lanz is saying. Not only are you giving a larger dose actually in the IV bag, the intravenous bag, but because it's getting into the body directly to the bloodstream, the whole dose is pretty much being absorbed.
That's right.
A lot of people think fiber can do one thing and one thing only, and those